Welcome back. It's officially summer in Western New York, which means our farmers markets are full of locally grown produce. And here to talk about the health benefits of your seasonal favorites is Catherine Townsend from our sponsors at Univera Healthcare. Thanks so much for coming in today, Catherine.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you for having me.
Of course. First, tell us about what you do at Univera Healthcare.
So I'm a dietitian case manager, so we'll go over that a little bit more later on as well. But I work one-on-one with our members telephonically to help them meet a wide variety of health goals.
Alrighty. One of the things that we're talking about today are the health benefits of eating local and in-season produce. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so eating local in-season produce has a lot of great benefits. Tastier, first of all. It can be cheaper. I know food's really expensive now, and more nutritious. So when food, or produce specifically, is grown within its normal growing cycles, its natural growing cycles, it just tends to have a higher amount of vitamins, minerals, tastier, crunchier, juicier, whatever kind of produce you're talking about. And because it's picked at peak freshness. It's a tongue twister. So therefore, you're not picking it early, so it isn't fully ripe. It's not transporting, so you can lose some of those nutrients during transportation. It's picked and then brought to your store, your farmer's market, just ready to go.
That's right. The key here is that it really is keeping all those nutrients because it's coming basically farm to table, right?
Exactly.
And there's even things like, I know, having honey from where you live is great for your allergies. Are there any other examples of that?
That's the main one, that I typically provide for people is it helps with allergies, the immune system, because you're getting all of that pollen from local flowers.
Right, it makes sense. Okay, let's talk about some local favorites and the specific health benefits viewers can look forward to.
Yeah, so there's a wide variety of produce that can be grown locally. Strawberries is a huge one right now. They're in season. I finally got a good batch of them.
I did too. Some local strawberries are the best. They're so sweet. It's amazing.
Yes, this year's was pretty good too.
Yeah.
Strawberries, very high in vitamin C, high in soluble fiber. So great benefit there. Another one is peppers. Those aren't quite available yet. You should see them coming to like farmers markets and things in July through September.
Okay.
Also high in vitamin C, but a good source of vitamin K, vitamin B6, so that's good for like red blood cells and immune function. We also have greens, so another one, lots of different greens out there. Turnip greens, collard greens, they're also a great source of vitamin K. So also for immune function. And they are packed with beta carotene as well, which is going to be great for producing vitamin A in the body.
Okay.
And then finally, peaches. It's one of my favorites. I love peach season. That will also come around July through September. So, and those are also going to be high in vitamin C, vitamin A, great for skin health.
Nice. Okay. Let's talk about some of your favorite ways to cook and eat local produce.
Yeah, so many different ways to do that.
Yeah.
I mean, the easiest way, chopping them up, having them with hummus or dip. But you can also just add them to normal foods that you'd have, like yogurt and granola. The strawberries, I've been adding them to my salads.
Yeah.
A little cheese on there, some balsamic. It's delicious. Grilling. I mean, it's grilling weather now, so one of my favorite things to do is slicing up some zucchini and yellow squash and putting that on the grill. You can char peppers and onions. I mean, so many different things that way. And desserts.
Yes.
So you can chop some fruit up. Berries are especially good. Just put a little whipped cream on there. Or back to the grilling concept, I love peaches on the grill. You put a little bit of local honey and some cinnamon, nutmeg, and you can grill them up, and it's a really tasty treat.
Peach cobblers.
Yes, peach cobbler,
strawberry shortcake. They're like the possibilities are endless.
Yes,
are endless. Alrighty, Catherine, tell us where our viewers can learn more about Univera and all that you have to offer.
Yeah, so UniveraHealthcare.com is where you can find whatever you need to know about us, specifically the case management program. If you're interested in working with a dietitian, we work with all types of health goals. So it's not just weight loss or diabetes. We can help if you have gastrointestinal concerns, allergies. I mean, The options are really endless. Like I mentioned earlier, it is all telephonic. It's one-on-one though, completely included with Univera Health Insurance. And so, like I said, you can go on the website. You can also email to case.management@univerahealthcare.com, or you can call our toll-free number, which is 1-877. Nope, that's my phone number.
We have it coming up here.
It'll
That's
be on the screen. I totally blanked on that one.
No worries.
I say it all day.
That's fine. Alrighty, Captain, thank you so much for coming in and giving us some great tips and getting us excited about local produce. Viewers, if you'd like to connect with our sponsors at Univera Healthcare, you can call the number on your screen or visit univerahealthcare.com for more information. Thanks so much for coming in again.
Thank you.